Hi guys. So today this is the continuation session from my previous session. I mean to say in the ninth video we discussed about what is an array, how to create an array, and how you can iterate in ES5 and ES6. And we discussed about a arrow function, right? So let me discuss in detail about the arrow function with a clear cut example, how many ways you can write it here. Okay, so this is the continuation session and a video playlist available in the description box, guys, if you're watching for the first time. Okay, so let me open my workspace to you. So this is my workspace. Let me close. Let me create as a new file here. See here, app4 underscore arrow. Let me make it as a arrow function dot js javascript here. Now let me copy and same thing, let me copy what we defined the previously. Now these are the courses. Now make it as a shortcut. Just let me make it as a four variables here. Sir, four courses are available. Now let me write as a arrow function courses dot for each. You can define as a function, and in this function you can take an attribute and you can open curly bracket here, console dot log of course. Just I want to print the course. That's it, nothing else. Right click, run the code. Now let me clear the output, run the code. See, data is printed here. Now this is one approach. Now the same approach I want to using a first approach. This is the first approach, guys. Now let me discuss about the second approach. This is nothing but what, just to remove the function keyword and apply here, okay, equal to and less than symbol. This is using the arrow function. This is called arrow function here. Okay, this is about the next approach here. The same piece of code I can write. Okay, we can remove. Just observe here, guys. Now let me make it as a third approach. Just I'm making very simple this arrow function here. If it is a single line, if it is a single line, even you no need to write, you no need to write curly bracket here. Just remove and remove here. That's it. This is also third approach. If it is a single line, if you have a more than one line, yes, you need to open curly bracket, open and close. See, right click, run the code. See, multiple times is printed. Why? Because multiple if statements we written. Like what we can do, this is, let me comment it here. This is also comment it here and right click, run the code. See, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Just if you want to make it as a single line, see here, guys, instead of copying courses dot for each of, guys, clearly observe what you can take any attribute here. Okay, now let me take C is my attribute. Okay, arrow function equal to less than, and here console dot log of C. That's it. You can use any variable name, either C, course, or whatever you want. Now see, this is also a valid one. Right click, run the code. Oh, we are still facing an issue. Let me verify unexpected token. Why? Something we are missing here. Okay, here I cannot skip it here. Why? Because this is arrow function, right? Either you can comment it, or that's fine, anything is fine here. Okay, now see, right click, let me clear the output, run the code. See here, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. Now the same structure, HTML, CSS. This is for using this approach. This is this approach here. This is called an arrow function here. Okay, now here one approach we almost done. Now what is the approach? String, array, boolean, index elements, we started, everything is done here. Okay, now I want to define array of objects. Let me close. Let me create a new file, app5 underscore I mean to say products.js. Now see, just observe here. Let products equal to, this is an array, you know very well, this is an array here. Here in this array, you can define number data type, string data type, variables, booleans. Even I can define the object also. How you can represent an object? Here curly bracket open and close. Here how many objects you want, you can define those many number of objects here, guys. So we can define three objects here: object 1, object 2, object 3. Now each object you can define your data. Now how you can define, maybe you can make it a follow like this so that you can able to understand very quickly. So see, this is three objects we have. Now this is called an array. Now inside an object, I want to provide a data ID 100, and I can provide the name. Just I can use a uh, iPhone 11, and I can provide a price. I can price as 80,000. Now this is a single object here. Copy. Now what I can do, let me copy here and let me cut it and paste it here. And see, now this is nothing but three objects I am defining here. Now here, now let me make it 101, here 102, here iPhone 11, iPhone 12, and iPhone 13. Here let me make it as a 90,000. Here let me make it as a, suppose, 1 lakh here. Now three objects I define. Now if you use console dot log of product, yes, you can able to print the data. Now right click, run the code. Yes, there is some issue here. Now what is my object? Products, not product. So that is a mistake. Right click, run the code. See, three objects are printed. Now my requirement is I want to print only names of the product. I have a three products. I want to display the names. See here, for now let as we discussed all the ES6 feature in the previous video. See, product of, here I can take as a products here. Here either you can use a shortcut called product something. Now see here, console dot log of product dot name. That's it. You can able to print only the names. See here, right click, run the code. See, iPhone 11, iPhone 12, and iPhone 13 is printed here. It is printed here. Now I want to filter the products. I mean to say, here if you observe here, 80,000, 90,000, 1 lakh I have. Now I want to filter the data. I want to apply some condition. I want to apply from some condition I want to do. If you want to perform a condition, you need another array filter products required for you. How you can perform? See here, initially let you can filter products. I'm creating one empty array. Now I am using, okay, I am using for each function, for each of. Here you know very well how to define a function here. Function keyword function using product object, curly bracket open and close. Here I am making a condition. See here, if whatever you received the product dot price, okay, now less than 90,000, I want to push data to my filter products. See, filter products dot, in the method available called push method. That means you can add an element to an array. This is the method, push method. Now that product I want to pass it here. That's it, done. Now if you print console dot log of, here you can use as a filter products. This is kind of a filter. If we can minimize using other functions also, but as per the beginners, you should know how it is happening here. Okay, now see, just have a look. Now right click, run the code. Let me run the code. See here, only 80,000, only single product is available, less than 90,000. If you use a greater than, now just observe here, see the output. Two products you will get it. See, why greater than 90,000? Just I can use greater than or equal to. Then you can able to see two products. See, two products is printed here. This is all about how you can iterate an object here. Okay, hope you guys are clear. Now another last topic in the arrays we have called array operations. Array operations here. See guys, array. These operations are very important as part of the learning stage. Just see here. Now here inside an array, we have some couple of functions we have guys. What are the functions we have? We have a one of the methods are available, push method, pop method, and unshift method and shift method. We have so many so many methods available in an array now, but main focus I want to concentrate on push, pop, unshift and shift here. Now have a look here. Suppose let me define an array. Let array equal to 100 comma 200 comma 300. Just I define an array. Now you know very well console dot uh, log of length I want to display, array dot length. Now you will get to know the result. You will get it as a length 3. Right click, run the code. Now see, length is 3. Now I want to apply a method. First method is called push method. See, push method, what it will be do, add new item or element to the end of the array. Now your output become, see here, array dot push. I want to push some element 400. See here, 400 I am adding an element. Now just print the data, console dot log of an array. See, right click, run the code. See here, 100, 200, 300, 400. 400 is adding the element. Okay, adding the element. Now I want to, okay, remove the, now you are adding the 400, but I want to remove the element. How to do? Simple operation, array dot pop method. That's it. If you use this pop method, oh sorry guys, now let me make it here. There is a pop method is used to remove the last element of an array, now see, array dot pop method. That's it. Now you can print your array. Now easily you will get to know importance. Okay, now right click, run the code. See here, using push method you are adding an element, using pop method you are removing, but push method and pop method useful at the end of the array. But what about the beginning of the array? Those methods are nothing but shift method and unshift method. Okay, now see here, there is a method called unshift. Okay, this method is used, to add one or more elements to the beginning of the array. See, beginning of the array here, beginning of the array. Now when you are adding an array, length will be increased. Now see here, array dot, there is a unshift of, now let me make it 100 before 99. Let me add an element 99. Now let me print the data. Or instead of 99, let me take some kind of a 567, some number. Now let me clear the screen. Right click, run the code. See here, 567 is printed at the beginning of the array. Okay, now I want to, now what I want to do, now I want to shift method. See, shift method is used, what it will be, remove the first item of the array. See here, array dot shift, just there is no parameters, you no need to pass. See, console dot log of array. That's it. Now see, your original data you will get it. Let me clear the output. Right click, run the code. See, 100, 200, 300. By using push method, adding here. By using pop method, we are deleting. Using unshift method, adding at the beginning. Using shift method, I am deleting here. This is the 4 operations we have. Okay, 4 operations we have. Even we can sort the elements. We can sort the elements also here. See here. Now let me define a new array. Let me take it as a numbers. Okay, now suppose 67, 34, 98, 1 comma 0, some numbers just I'm adding here, random numbers I added. Now I want to sort the array. Now see here, console dot log of numbers dot, there is a method called sort method. That's it. Sort method. Elements are sorted. See here. Run the code. See 0, 1, 34, 67, 98. Now you want to reverse the array. Now just we have a method called reverse method. See, there is a reverse method. It will be in the reverse order, it will be print. See, 98, 67, 34, 1, 0 here. Now in this way, we have some other elements also we have. Now another part, we have a slice method also, where we can add elements in the middle of the array. We can do that, those operations also I can perform. But another one method is called join method. See here, there is one method called join. Here what will happen means, to join the array elements to string. Now what exactly is, I want to print my data 67 like this. I need result like this, guys. 67 hyphen 34 hyphen 98 hyphen 1 hyphen 0. Now I want my data in this structure. Now how I can do that? See here. Now numbers, there is a method called dot join method. Now whichever special you want to join, make it as a hyphen or double hyphen, triple hyphen, just I added here. Now you will get some result, right? Let output, let output. Now just print the data, console dot log of your output. That's it, your job is done. Save, right click, run the code. See here, this is a useful join method is used to join with array elements here. Okay, so that's all for the arrays concept. Now 2 sessions we have, please try to complete, and the next session I'm going to discuss about the functions in JavaScript here. Okay, thank you guys, bye bye.